The COVID-19 surge is not letting up in the new year. State and local health officials continue to urge people not to travel amid the pandemic. Still, many ignored the warnings this holiday. KCAL9's Joy Benedict is live at LAX with a look for us. Good morning, Joy. I see lots of folks behind you there.
Yeah, you got a lot of folks checking in, heading out or heading back home, whatever the case may be. You know, I've been out here for a couple of weeks now. We were here the Monday before Christmas, and everyone that I spoke to just simply said, you know what, they're weighing the options, and they feel like getting away is the best thing for their mental health, although health advisors are saying it is not when it comes to your physical health. But nonetheless, we are at LAX. We're in front of Terminal 7. This is the United Terminal. You can see a lot of folks in line there waiting to check their bag. As many people aren't doing carry-on only right now. And of course, the numbers across the nation are looking pretty similar to what we're seeing at LAX. That's a lot of folks traveling, but the term a lot is obviously relative. It is not a lot compared to what we've seen for travelers in years past, so a lot of people are paying attention. But nonetheless, TSA has screened more than 800,000 passengers a day for 16 of the last 17 days, the exception being Christmas Day, with many of those days being well over 1 million travelers a day. Still half of what they're used to, with the longest streak this has been, though, of this high traffic travelers since the pandemic began. This week, LAX also started offering new rapid tests, a way to help folks feel a little bit more at ease when they travel. They were offering tests before, but those took 24 to 48 hours to get the results, and now they have a lab here on site to help folks. Of course, COVID numbers are continuing to rise, though, all over Southern California. And here in LA County, it has now recorded more than 800,000 cases of COVID-19, with half of those cases turning positive just in the last few weeks. That talks about that progression that they've been fearing for many months now. And Friday, San Bernardino reported 2 local cases of the more contagious variant of the COVID strain, the one that's prevalent up in Europe. 2 people from the same Big Bear family, where one of them did have contact with a traveler in the UK. And that's why health officials are begging. They are urging everyone to do their part to stop this spread.
When I hear people talk about a number and I hear people minimize and say, oh, the death percentage is only 1.3% in LA County. So to you, 9,000 plus people being dead is just another day. They were exposed to you because you were reckless, but you'll never know them. It's this anonymous thing, and that's what's so hurtful, because I can't train you to care about other people.
And I gotta be honest with you, I talk to a lot of people, and I don't necessarily think that when people do travel or they do things like this, it's not because they don't care. They feel like they are doing enough, and you're hearing a lot about pandemic fatigue and things of that nature. They feel like they are following the rules, yet the coronavirus keeps spreading. So, I mean, these are issues that the health departments have been debating and changing each and every week since the pandemic began, and I'm sure they'll have more guidelines now that the holiday season is over. I'll send it back to you, Amy.